Okay, time management, work schedules, personal sub-area, group personal sub-areas for the work. Schedule. This is what we did the last time. And um, okay, BNPH, Philadelphia, factory and office, and we have the grouping 77. Okay, okay. Um, Group personal sub-areas, personal sub-areas for daily work schedule, and we had 77 already signed. It's already defined. Break schedules, daily work schedules and grouping 77, Dgen, Dgen, and Dsun. This is basically we are we have designed a shift system for the grouping 77, where for Sunday we have Sunday shift, and for a general shift T, you know what is T? It is a variant. Now variant will see that general shift T. So we have a general shift T and a variant T shift. Okay. Let's see what these are and what are the variants. Variants will be 77 and this. This basically is what is this notifying that if you have a public holiday in between, of course, in some cases for factory and offices, it will be working day, and for some it will be an off day. For office, it will be off. For factory, it will not be off. Okay, and the holiday class that we are uh, the holiday class that we are selecting over here. Now, this X is basically a day in a week where a public holiday may fall in, and holiday class next day. Okay, it can be, uh, uh, it will be interpreted as either it is off or it is not off, and this is the week basically that will be off. The dot over here denotes the off, and that is basically denoted with a T. Okay, define break schedules. The break schedules are defined. Okay, group, oh, sorry, 77. And in 77, we have the generalized break schedule for the morning, for the evening, okay, and some parts of it are paid because this is 0.75 of whole one part, and this is whole one part, which is 1 hour. This is 0.75 parts of an hour. This is 0.5, which is half an hour. Okay. Okay. Now this is okay. This is clear. And okay, this is done. define public holiday classes. Now this is the next, basically, we have already done this. Okay. And uh factory calendar change. And over here we'll have pen and B1. Okay, it's already there. Time management, work schedules, personal sub area groupings, group personal sub areas for the work schedule. We've already done this. Okay, it's 77. I'll just take a snapshot. Okay, take a snapshot and paste it here. I'm also making notes one by one. So it becomes a reference, a powerful reference. Okay, positive talent. Channel area DG. The personal area is BNPH. Okay, go back. Work schedule, daily work schedule, and define daily work schedules. Define daily work schedules. Okay, we've already defined 7, 7. We've already defined and we can kill it. We have already discussed this. Okay. Okay. Let's go back. Period work schedules. And this will be a new thing for us. Define period work schedules. Now, we will actually have to define Monday to Friday schedule for working in factory families. Okay, grouping is 77 and we have BW and BWS. BWS grouping. What we'll do is as E N and S. Okay, so we have period work schedule and schedule Benetton. Okay. Save. So let me just explain what this logic is all about. Okay. Basically, this is 7 days in a week. Day one, day two, day three, until Sunday. On Sunday, of course, will be a Sunday. So Sunday schedule will apply on this. The rest of the week it will be. Um, so you will have to actually make 52 weeks of this schedule. Okay, okay, that's done. Okay, let's just period work schedules. Snapshot. Something important because you might lose track of the configuration and becomes nightmare because there are so many modes and so many nodes of configuration that you have to take care of. Okay. Um, day types. What are day types basically? Define day types. So basically, day types are is that it's a normal day, it's paid. It's an off day and it's paid. It's an off day but unpaid. It's an off day and it's a special day like anniversary of the company. I think that can be a special day. Okay. Define selection rules. This is the next part. Okay, now again, this is a little tricky, but not so, no, not so much. Selection rules. We have rule. Now the blank is again public holiday, or blank can also be assumed as not a public holiday. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the week. And then we have either a public holiday, and this one, of course, you are working an extra day. Okay. So day type work day will all be like ones, the blank with a provision for either a holiday class and Saturdays where you actually work for like 4 hours. So that is reduced working day. So that can also be defined. And Sunday will have its own Sundays interpretation. Okay, as off day. Okay. Define special days. Now, special days can be, um, for example, 16th of July. A special day, it's anniversary of the company, it was formed or whatever. So you can actually do that. Rule 77 is already defined. Okay. Work schedule rules. And work schedule. Okay. Define employee subgroup groupings. Define employee subgroup groupings. Employee subgroup groupings. Define employee subgroup groupings. So the same thing is like poetry. Okay. Remember this person sub area grouping. Okay. Over here we'll have to have what's for best way. Owl was 7. Benetton B is best way. Employee subgroup grouping. Uh, let's say employee subgroup seven. Okay, 7. Because we are using the series 77, that will be easy to recall and remember. While I'll take a snapshot for it. Employee subgroups for work schedules, country grouping is 10, which is US. And we have Ben, Benetton, a salary hourly. Okay, ES groupings. Now, this is a little tricky for me as well. Can't remember what we are doing now. Share and MM. MM. Let's go with this and let me take a snapshot of this. For public holiday calendar, we define groupings. Okay, Benetton, factory, PG, holiday calendar. We already have a holiday calendar for Benetton. Mm, Benetton holiday calendar and E1. Same goes for, we can have a different for factory and office separately, but it's simple. The configuration is already complex. We cannot handle it anymore. Okay. Define employee subgroup groupings, group employee subgroups for work schedule. That works. M. Public holiday calendar. Okay. Okay. Employee subgroup groupings. Define. We have M, we have 7. Okay. Over here we'll have 7, 7. Okay. That what we lost track of the configuration part anyway. Define grouping for the public holiday calendar. Have B1, B1. Okay, okay. I want to actually define is already done. I didn't take a snapshot. Okay, A. Snap. Let's stop over here and we'll continue.